Hello everybody, stay tuned as we're going to be doing an installation of our Industrial Series 165 gallon per hour system on this X15 Cummins right behind me. Now let's get this installation started. All right, we just finished up the installation of our 165 gallon per hour Industrial Series system on this X15 Cummins. Now our Industrial Series is very easy to install as we used our PACCAR quick connect fittings to just connect the factory inlet and outlet line right to the FASS system. So those plastic quick connect fittings. And for the FASS return, we just simply tie that in with the engine return. And what that does, it provides a super clean, quick, and easy installation. Now what's installing a FASS system going to do for you? This is going to filter particulates down to 2 microns, absolute. It's going to remove over 99% of the water that can be found in your fuel, and it's removing the entrained air and air vapor, which increases the lubricity by at least 10%. And this triples the life of your fuel injection system. Now for more information, to locate a dealer near you or to order yours today, check them out at fassride.com.